Hello and welcome again. It's your girl Danielle. If you're new to this channel, thank you for tuning in. This channel is all about lifestyle, fun, acts, and travels around the world. And today we are going to learn how to make healthy whole wheat bread. Like this one is 100% whole wheat bread. So if you're on a weight loss journey or if you're trying to have a healthy lifestyle just like me, this bread is perfect. So let's dive right into the video.
Nice range, 'cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah.
So for this recipe, we'll be needing some wheat flour, and this wheat flour has some grains in it, and we have lukewarm water. Yeah, and we have vegetable oil, and you can use any vegetable oil of your choice. And I have some grains, and this is sunflower grain, but this is totally optional. I just want to have more grains in my bread. And I have my dry yeast, and I have some salt. I will drop all measurements in the description box below. So let's bake our bread. And also, I forgot to mention, we'll be baking this bread using air fryer. So if you got air fryer in your home, you can always use it to bake your bread. You just need to get the right pan that fits into it. So let's continue.